How am I going to get through any of this or all of this? Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I have been in a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I recently took the SHRM exam and I've been doing a series of videos right here on my channel to help everybody get certified. So after my last video, I've received a whole bunch of messages, and these are messages that were trying to tell me that they really need to utilize their time while studying. They felt like the amount of time that I studied every day, an hour and a half or 45 minutes a day, 5 days a week, was too little, and that they can't get anything done, and they need to know how to make use of the time while studying or how to be productive while studying. So let's begin with the tip number one, my most important tip for this particular video. If you print out everything that you have to study for the SHRM exam, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like a whole bunch of fat, thick papers, a whole pile that you have to get through. And this is what you're going to always feel, that, oh my goodness, I'm never going to get through this. I had this feeling time and again every single time I sat down to study. There were good days and there were bad days, but believe me, I had this thought a lot. So this is one of the most unproductive thoughts that you can have while studying. Let it not get into you, guys. Let it not get into you. So really, my most important tip is be positive. Don't keep looking at the syllabi and thinking, oh my God, I am never going to get through all these pages. I'm never going to get through 6 whole competencies. It's just negative. It's just unproductive. I don't think this thought is worthwhile, and I've had it a lot. I wasted my time thinking about this. So guys, please don't do it to yourself. Please do not do it to yourself. My tip number 2 for this video, do not extrapolate. What do I mean by this? So I used to have days when I was going through a somewhat tougher topic or a time-consuming topic, and I would study for an hour and a half or an hour and 20 minutes, and I would have finished just one page in the entire pile of notes that you just saw. So I used to start thinking that, oh, if it's going to take me an hour and a half to get through one page, and if I have 1,000 pages to do, then it's going to take me 2,000 hours to get through this. And to get through that, I need to do what? I need about 1,000 days to actually study the entire material. This is not true. The calculation might be correct, but the application of extrapolation, ratios, and proportions is absolutely wrong. The reason it's wrong, guys, it's not applicable here. Why is it not applicable? Some topics take longer and some take shorter, and that's just how it works. So don't try to extrapolate and say, oh, if it took me 1 hour to do one page, it's going to take me 1,000 hours to do 1,000 pages. And that's why I need 1,000 days to study, because I only study 1 hour every day. That's really not true. So sometimes you'll get more done and sometimes you'll get a little less done, but that's totally okay. Just be okay with that. And my tip number 3 for this video, please keep your phone away while studying. If you keep your phone away, you're going to get more done. Just don't have it at arm's length. If it rings and somebody's actually trying to reach out to you, then I think it's probably worth receiving the phone call, because I don't get so many phone calls. I think if someone's actually calling me, then I should receive my phone and answer it. Apart from that, just keep your phone away for that hour and a half that you're studying, and you'll be just fine. So my 3 most important tips to be productive while studying: don't keep thinking of the syllabi that you have to cover. There's so much to do. That's not the way to be thinking. Don't keep extrapolating and thinking that if I need 1 hour to do a tougher topic, then I will need 1 hour for every topic. And keep your phone away. 3 simple tips, guys. If you follow it, you're going to be productive while studying. I really hope these videos are helping you. If they are, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.